TiVo Stream 4K. Is this going to be a Fire Stick and NVIDIA Shield replacement? Is this an alternative? It's 50 bucks online? There's a lot of questions a lot of people have been asking, and today we're going to talk about it. Coming up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to iTrustStream. If this is your first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss out on the video. In my next video, we'll be doing a complete setup guide on how to get all of your applications on this thing. Do you need to sideload stuff? How much more easier is it going to be to install applications? I'm going to do a step-by-step setup guide in my next video, so don't miss out. Make sure to have that post notifications icon turned on so when the video does go live, you guys are ready, and let's set the sucker up. So today, we're gonna be doing a comparison if you should even get into this. By the next time the video does come out, if you do enjoy this video and you do want to buy one of these, there is a link inside of the description that goes straight to TiVo. I don't believe it's on Amazon yet, but they're offering it for $49.99. If this video spikes interest, I get $0 from this video besides the ad placements. So there's no affiliate links. This is not a biased opinion to entice you to purchase something else besides your Fire Stick, but I want to give you guys another option. If you guys do like Android TV and you do like affordable price devices, this is why we're doing today's video. TiVo Stream 4K, does it run on Android TV? Yes, it does. So it does run on Android TV. We have a lot of questions that I want to answer in so little time to do this. So here we go. It comes out with a very, very lightweighted. They got the TiVo brand right there in the front. It does come with the remote. Nice little, actually, this is actually not bad. It's the first time holding this remote. Feels good. And it does come with batteries. So batteries, you got a micro USB, a couple of little instructions, and a tiny little plug. I do appreciate the small ones, I'm telling you. A lot of other companies to get on this small power adapters because it's easy to kind of plug into areas. But anyways, what we're gonna talk about, we're gonna put this on the side. You guys can go to their website. I did overnight this. I wanted to get this here as fast as possible because I do want to talk about the price difference. So I wanted to go over some specs, the pros and cons when it comes to the Fire Stick. As we all know, the Fire Stick has been the top of the pedestal when it comes to affordable, good quality, consistent devices that people have been purchasing to cut the cord. So what does this mean for other box makers, other streaming dongle, other streaming devices that are coming out on the market? When you hear streaming products, you hear the Roku, you hear the Fire Stick, you hear the NVIDIA Shield, the Mi Box, Buzz TV, of course, and now we're talking about the TiVo. And the first thing that I did notice was the price. I wanted to look at the price because when it comes to cutting the cord, you're trying to cut costs wherever you possibly can. So everyone talks about the NVIDIA Shield being such on a high pedestal when it comes to quality, the price, how fast the device really is. For me personally, it is a preference when it comes to speed. Do I like the NVIDIA Shield? Yes. Do I hate the price? Yes. I do hate the price when it comes to the NVIDIA Shield because up into the 200s, almost for the Pro version, $300 for a device. When you're cutting the cord for cable, do you need the NVIDIA Shield to do that? No. You do not need an NVIDIA Shield to cut the cord. You can cut the cord as low as buying yourself a Fire Stick 4K. People like the Fire Stick 4K for its consistency. The Fire Stick 4K can stream very well. It doesn't overheat. Like I said, I can't stress enough how consistent the Fire Stick. If it does act up, you can factory reset it and get it back to where it's normal. Recently, there's been hiccups when it comes to third-party applications. Stuff that you get from FileLinked, stuff that you get from other third-party web stores. And these applications will give you free movies, free TV shows, and also side-loading IPTV services. It's been pretty consistent for the price, but there hasn't been a really good competitor. I want to see, and I want to talk about the TiVo 4Stream, and I want to stress the hell out of this thing to see if this is going to be an affordable alternative. Based off reviews, based off stuff that I've seen online, before me even get into the hardcore testing of this product, this is going to be coming into my next video. I feel like if the NVIDIA Shield and the Fire Stick were to have a baby, you're getting the operating system of Android TV at the price point of the Fire Stick. So I think that as long as some of these specs hold up, I think this is going to be a good alternative, not a replacement. Everyone has a different preference when it comes to operating system. Now, as we already know, that the Fire Stick does have Android on the back end, but their operating system is Fire OS. What I mean on the back end, well, Fire OS does take some form of APKs, which is Android driven. So Android is on there, guys. I'll tell you that right now. Android is on the Fire Stick, so this is the only reason why you're able to sideload your applications like, Terrarium TV clones and Morpheus clones, all these other fantastic Cinema HD, these awesome alternative applications, for streaming. There's Android on there. This, you're not having to sideload shit. You don't have to sideload anything because it's already on Android. You're just going to go straight onto downloading it. And this is, I'm telling you, my next video, we're going to do a full thing to where we're going to install all these applications and how easy it's going to be for everyone. So one of the biggest things when it comes to memory is a big deal, guys. Memory is a huge deal. Storage, it's going to be 8 gigabytes. 8 gigabytes of usable storage? No. We've seen things like this with the Fire Stick. The Fire Stick is going to have about 4.5 to 5 gigs of actual storage. This is going to have 4. The only thing I don't like is that half of the storage that you're going to be getting for you to be able to install applications is about half, because half of it is unusable. 4 gigs is usable. The other half is for its operating system and all of the stuff that they put on it before it. RAM, memory, 2 gigabytes, very good. That's what we like to see, because Fire Stick, I believe, is between 1.5 on the old one. The version 2 was 1.5, and I think the 4K is 1.7. But processor-wise, M-Logic on this guy is the S90-5Y2, which we have seen before, which something's coming out soon, which I believe Buzz has a similar processor to what this is. So I wanted to kind of compare that to the Fire Stick. Fire Stick wise, the Fire Stick, there's a lot of hidden information when it comes to the Fire Stick 4K, but I did some digging. And I'm gonna read this right here because I literally just typed this up. I wanted to see what the difference was. I'm gonna put it right here. The difference between the S905Y2 versus the S905Z, which is the Fire Stick 4K. The S905Z is similar to the S905W and the S905X, which is a low-cost variant, which video decoding was only set for the Fire Stick for 4K 30 frames per second. But the S905Y2 4K profile 2 set at 60 frames a second. So we may see a better quality, which we can test this. I mean, this is information that we're pulling from a lot of developers, and I was just deep in the web, guys. I was deep in the web. I wanted to figure out, because this is going to be the main difference when it comes to both things. It's going to come to operating system. It's going to be coming down to how easy it is to load the applications that you're cutting the cord with, right? For your IPTV services, your third-party applications. How easy is it going to be to load it onto this? And that's what we're going to be testing out in my next video. I wanted to do a kind of is this a replacement based off just looking at specs, just open up the box, kind of feeling it, kind of looking at things, comparing stuff to the NVIDIA Shield. Today's title is it the replacement? Absolutely not. But I think that this is going to be a great alternative. This is going to be something that's very similar. It's going to come to preference. So let me say this from the pit of my heart to you guys, that it is an alternative, a great alternative, just based off specs, based off packaging. Also, when I said overnighted, this got here literally next day. Paid an extra $30 to get it here, but I wanted to get you guys some content to talk about this thing. If you guys go to the website, they are offering 30 days of Sling. If you guys haven't heard of a Sling, I mean, it's not a preference for me. If you guys wanted to try out Sling, you guys will get a free 30 days. They give you like 40, 60 channels of local stuff, sports. You can create a different package, but if you guys are looking for a great alternative when it comes to streaming, you guys already know, links in the description below when it comes to a lot of channels. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of see with the NVIDIA Shield. The NVIDIA Shield is going to have 3 gigs of RAM. It's a lot faster. I believe that the NVIDIA Shield is set for a lot of gamers. It was designed for gamers. It was designed to take the load of playing games. There's a lot of people that don't like the NVIDIA Shield due to the price and what you really can do. There's other people that like the Fire Stick, the Fire Cube, Fire TV applications, Fire TV just platform. A lot of people kind of go with that one. The Buzz TV boxes is a whole different, box game. We're talking about cutting the cord with what I would call them mainstream products. This is not a mainstream product. This is more on the underground product. This is now considered a mainstream product. A mainstream product that's going to be sold in Best Buy, Target. It's going to be sold where you can be accessible locations. I'm looking forward to testing this guy. And guys, if it sucks, I'll let you guys know. But if you guys are interested in following along in other videos, go down to the link in the description. Go down to the actual TVO website, and you guys will be able to get this in a couple days. You guys can do free shipping. So stay tuned for Fire Stick versus TVO videos. This is iTrustStream, and until the next video, stay tuned this weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Later.